very much. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, can we put our hands together for them? Thank you. Thank you very much, Pablo. You better come up here and two women. Thank you. May I now invite and
that's where we ready.
Excellency, Dr. Mrs. Hari Body, National.
Stand on an already established protocol because of want of time. We are being to leave for Ibadan for our rally against tomorrow. The president may count. The president may count. And may count. The little Sagrio. Sagrio. Let me thank the people of Emohua Local Government and all of the Rivers people who are here, who are supporting all we have been doing since the inception of administration in 2015 up till now. It has not been easy, but we give glory to God that we have seen the new year of 2023, which will be a successful year than last year. Today we're here to flag off this Ababu Ebedia. I will link us to Omo Road. Chief Lord has said that their son came here to say this road was not necessary, it's a waste of resources. When he was governor, which one did he do that was necessary? That his mother from everybody, is it not? Is it not? Did he do anyone that's necessary there? You see, your mother is from here. He didn't deem it fit or necessary to do anything for your maternal home. Not so. Now but our mother is not from here. We are doing something to help your maternal home. He said it's unnecessary. It's a waste of. When you have a bad child, it's a bad child. If it's not a bad child, you should have thanked us for removing shame from his face that we came to your maternal home. Something you refuse to do for them. Some other person is doing it. Since you don't have shame, I'll add more things for your maternal home now. So, I'm not your original son. Abra. Good picking. Who remember mama? Not so. Mama will carry you for 9 months, 10 months, body you. You don't recognize that. It be good picking. If that one now picking, no no bona, no be so. The proper picking don't come, no be so. No be so. No brother. This is a New Year gift. Because I have taken you as my own maternal home. So go home and rejoice because I'm going to do your internal roads. Now, let me appeal to all of you. Because in 2014, 2015, when I came out for election, one of your sons, David Omereji, who has been supporting us with other people, I made promise, and when I made promise, I must fulfill my promise. But let me tell you, don't make mistake. All your votes, put it in one basket. Do you understand me? Put it in one what? Basket. Carry on. Give us for governorship. Give us for House of Reps. And for tonight in the Senate. And for today in the Assembly. The President, Abia Kananu, Ajema, I'm not count. If anybody likes, say whatever you want to say. Say I am working for social person, it's your business. Say I'm not working for social person, it's your business. That will not deny or make me change my mind where we're heading to. Do you understand me? So if they like, they can make speculation. After all, that's why the word speculation is there. Never so. That's what is speculation. People must speculate. So let them continue to speculate. And let them know. Some of them who do not even have 25 votes, abusing leaders. When you finish abusing leaders, you will pay. Not be so. When you finish abusing us, you will pay. We are here talking to our people. They are there in radio stations, in television houses. We are here talking to our people, not so. When we finish, by that time it's late. Anytime they come, ask them, what did you bring for us? And we go there with a kidney. And we get a bag of kidney. And we get home with a kidney. You come with empty hand, you go with empty hand. Not so. You come with project, we give you vote. Not so. You come with project, we give you. You come with empty hand, you go. You come with promise, we give you promise. So Commissioner of Works, make sure you scoop these internal roads. And now that the contractor is here, let us align you to the same contractor so you don't move the equipment out again. It doesn't make sense. Let me tell every contractor that is here, go home and sleep with your two eyes closed. I have money to pay. I'm not talking about promising you I have the money to pay. I'm not going anywhere with your money. I will pay you your money. So nobody should be afraid. If I don't have, I will not award any contract. Do you understand me? Because it will be punishment for you to give a contractor job. He uses his money and you don't pay him. God will not also forgive you. Because if the contractor has done his work to make me happy, and the people because of that are voting for me, and then me I'm happy going, and then the contractor will be indebted to the bank, So any contractor that have been given job, go home and sleep with your two eyes closed. So I thank all of you. I will come back for the commissioning. Do you understand me? I will come back for the commissioning and let the whole world hear that we are all together. We are all together. We are all This is your original son. And come again. Have your original son. On that note, let me invite our leaders to join me